Okay guys, obstacle, the waterfall here. Yeah, okay, and it's red. And oh yeah, we're on Poison Spyder Mesta, guys, so we'll do a little clips. 2020 KTM, second gear, here we go. Let's go right up it. And up the front wheel. Yeah. Still going. Waterfall, here we are. Oh, here we go, more. A little slippery at the bottom. Look at that, never wanted no foot. There's the winch cables, winch hooks. And then we do a 180. Okay, what do we got here? More waterfall. Oh, tough entrance. The hole, jump the hole. Oh boy. Oh, into a hole. I remember this from back in the day when I was here with Q-Man and side by side on my dirt bike. Still going, waterfall, Poison Spyder, first obstacle. Ooh. Oh, slippery. Cool. Woo! Yeah, okay, that's it. It looks like I got a little bit of highway here. My heart rate up, getting my breathing up. Alright, what do we got here? An easy way and a hard way. Let's go the hard way. Here we are. Oh, this is the next obstacle. The wedgie. Alright guys, in this video, Dirt Bike Survivor Man 2020 KTM guys. Yeah.